How to earn coins and rewards faster. Want the best gear without the grind? This guide shows you how to earn coins and rewards faster in the darkest days. The fastest way to get coins is by selling junk. Items marked as valuables or old world tech have no use in crafting. Take them to any settlement merchant and sell them for a massive coin boost. Check the bounty board in safe zones. These short combat missions offer significantly higher coin rewards than standard exploration. Target the elite bounties for rare upgrade materials. Don't ignore the events tab. Darkest Days often runs limited time challenges. Completing just 3 event tasks can net you more rewards than an entire hour of normal gameplay. Log in daily to claim your free supply crate. You're now on your way to being the richest survivor. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days wealth tips.